Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more updates. Due to the changes in weather, it is extremely hard for us as far as the sickness goes. Seems like at least one of us was sick the entire time and we just keep passing it along the next person. Such a vicious cycle. I wanted to make my kid something natural that wasn't overly potent, not very sweet, yet tasty enough to finish. I'm going to make a homemade cough drop lollipops. So the things needed are lollipop sticks, wax paper, honey, ginger which is grated, and food cinnamon. Now let's start making it. In a medium pot, slowly bring the honey to a boil on low to medium heat, making sure you continuously stir the honey. It took around some 10 minutes for me for the honey to boil and then come down to a perfect consistency. So once the honey has reached the temperature of 300 Fahrenheit, place a small drop into a glass of cold water. This is the test for honey. If it hardens right away and it is no longer soft and sticky, then it means your honey is ready. Switch off the gas. This is the time for you to add the grated ginger and cinnamon if you wish to. If you don't let the mixture boil enough, your lollipops will be soft and chewy instead of hard, and that could get you super messy. Once this is ready, set the honey aside to settle, and all the bubbles will be gone once it is fully settled. While the honey is settling, place your lollipop stick on the wax paper. I have taken a baking paper for this, and using a spoon, gently spoon out honey over the ends of your stick and form a lollipop shape. Allow it to sit until it reaches the room temperature. Once it reaches the room temperature, it begins to harden, and that is the time you take out the wax paper and you put it in an airtight jar. So this homemade cough drops is a better alternative to the cough syrups available in the market. You can munch it on any time, and it is advisable not to be given to the kid who is less than 1 year. Otherwise, it is the best medicine. It can be taken for kids, toddlers, and also adults. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next video. Till then, it's bye from Sharmila.